Alright guys, so this is find inverses of rational functions. This is the exercise. This is one of the problems that you're going to see. Okay, so this is literally just inverses, but you guys might get a little bit confused because we have two variables. That's okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, so our first step is we're going to swap out our x's and our y's. So instead of y, we're going to start with x. Now over here, anywhere we see an x, we're going to put a y. Pretty simple with that step. Now the next thing we want to do, you guys remember anytime we see a fraction, we want to get rid of that. So we're going to multiply both sides by the denominator. Okay. Those will distribute, those will cancel out. Okay. So we'll have xy plus x equals 3 minus y. Now you might panic because of this, but I'll show you how we're going to do that. Okay, do not panic. So the next thing we want to do is we want to get our y's on the same side, and let's get this x over here. So to do that, we're going to add y to both sides. And we're going to subtract x from both sides. Okay? So when we do that, we have xy. Our x's cancel out. So we'll have plus y equals, our y's are going to cancel out there. So we'll have 3 minus x. Okay? Now the reason for that is because of the next step that we're going to do to try to get y by itself. Okay? So in order to do that, we have to look at these. Can we take something out of both of these? Yes, you can. You can take a y out of both of them. So we'll take the y out. If we take the y out of this, we have x. Y divided by y is going to leave us with 1. Okay? So that's how we get there. Okay? Now I'm going to bring this up here. So we have more room. Okay? So you're there. So now we want to get y by itself. So the easiest thing we can do to get y by itself, we're just going to divide this by both sides. Okay? So there's that. So this cancels out. So your answer is going to be this. Now, this is a unique situation because what you may notice is this is the same as this. So the inverse of this equation is actually itself. So this right here would be your answer, and that's how you find the inverse of a rational equation.